Hey guys, what's going on? Jerry again with 3D HP. Trevor over at Navarre 3D Printing sent me out some filament to try out. He started his own filament line here recently. He's going to have a website up and running, but he currently sells it out of his store in the mall in Navarre, Florida. And I'll show you a video of his store here in just a minute. But I've got a Purple Rain. Let's see, this one is a Sunshine Orange. And then I have a Blood Red. They all appear to be translucent. But let's open them up, take a look at what we got, and then we can print some goodies and see how it comes out. There's a translucent red, or it's called Blood Red. Very pretty, and definitely looks like blood. Seems to be wound very well. Here's his logo he has on the bag there. And this one is called the Sunshine Orange. Very nice looking filament. And then moving on to the last one that he sent me. This one he calls Purple Rain. Very pretty filament. Very, very pretty filament. It looks like a translucent, but I guess we'll see once I get it printed. But yeah, I've got 3 amazing rolls here to try out. I'll try them on various printers, I think. I'm not really sure which one I'm going to use. I'm definitely going to use my Kitty iFast, possibly my Anycubic Cobra that I have. But yeah, so we got a purple, we've got an orange and a red. Let's start printing some goodies. We've got Sunset Orange, Blood Red, and the purple is called Purple Rain. And here's some of the amazing prints that I've done with them. I'd like to show you what it looks like. It's an opalescence. It's kind of a translucent, sort of. And it is not a silk. It's a very strong filament, very durable. Prints very nice. And these were all printed on my Anycubic Cobra. Come out very nice, very beautiful. And here's from Plexi Factory. We have the little astronaut. Beautiful color. I had 0 problems, no clogging whatsoever. All these things printed beautifully. We have a Plexi Dragon. Beautiful vase. I believe my layers on this were 6 top, 4 bottom, 4 perimeter, like 5% infill. It's very sturdy and durable. I can't squeeze it. It's not done in vase mode. None of these prints here were done in vase mode. And here's the Blood Red. Oh, very nice. That's a neighbor's dog you might hear barking. Very beautiful. Then I got some jets occasionally flying over. Amazing, amazing. Very nice colors. Take a look at the filament here. It's a sunset orange. Blood red. It's very bright. Kind of a opalescence, they call it. Kind of like a translucent. And then the purple is a purple rain. Beautiful filament. But let's jump over, let's check out his website, and then I'll have a little video clip I can show you of his store if you haven't already seen it. But yeah, these things came out amazing. And like I say, he's just launched his filament line. He's got the flex plates on there, and he'll probably be adding more to his website. So let's jump right over there. And here's their website right here, Navarre 3D Printing. It's Layerworks 3D Filament, PLA, American made, original colors. Opalescence 1.75 millimeter. They currently have 15 different colors that are made for them. They've got blood red, emerald coast green, which is a teal, green is grass, emerald city green, sapphire blue, which is dark, a Mediterranean blue, which is a light color, breaking bad blue, which says baby, glacier blue, which is a blue gray, a sunset orange, purple rain, lavender lilac, clear slate silver, shiny new penny, which is a copper color, recycled, which is, the color varies on that one, and crystal clear translucent. And let's see, we also have flex plates here. I know they added flex plates. Let's go to catalog. And here Trevor and his wife have added some different flex plates. And there is their phone number. They're in Navarre, Florida. And there's a lot of beautiful colors there. All the filament from Layerworks is made in Tennessee here in the USA. 3D printing and laser engraving. Hello and thank you for shopping with us. We are Trevor and Ricky Air Force veterans, 20 years in Navarre Beach, Florida residents, and they're the owners of Navarre 3D printing and laser engraving for the past 5 years. Their store is located in the Santa Rosa Mall, Mary Esther, Florida.
Good morning, Jerry and crew. Making a little new video of my store. It's currently in the process of being updated a little bit. But I finish. I'll make a new one when I'm done. But for now, probably a little hard to see through all this gloss here. We got some Hex 3D stuff over here, and of course down here. Been long-time patrons of Jeff. Here's all our displays. So here's the right side here. We got a lot of Flexi Factory stuff like that. We patron. This is our own line of filament here. This is something new. All of our filaments have a beautiful opalescence into them. We'll be launching those next few weeks. This is again more of our colors. Well, let's see, we got printers galore. As far as you can see, we're eSun dealer. We got eSun, lots of PLA Plus, resins of course. I even carry things like Peak, nylon, PVA, nylon, carbon fiber nylon, 6 and 12, full line of PET G, blah, blah, blah. This is where my techs sit. I got 2 high schooler techs, and they work on printers for me on the weekend. Let's see, this is almost done. This is a custom T-Rex we did for a customer. But this is the painting area here. Got some demo printers. more of our colors that we do. And then we got the print form back here. So currently I got some ZYLTECHs over here, a couple iFasts. Of course we got the X Plus, some Ender 5 Pluses, a couple CR6 Maxes, some CR6s, CR10 Maxes, another CR10 Max, S5. So we got the resin side. Here's where printers go to be put together. These are all put together, waiting to be calibrated. Let's see here. Got an XCF Pro awaiting repairs. And I got a couple more down there waiting on repairs. And lastly, onto the lasers. Let's see, we got two fiber lasers back here. We got a 50 watt JPT on the left and a 30 watt Racus on the right. And that's about it in a Pac-Man game. Woo! Now, this is my printer area for Amazon returns.